in this video, I'm going to share idea with you how you can literally pass your Profem account. All right. So basically, if you are coming across this video for the first time, or you are coming across my channel for the first time, use this opportunity to hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I share a video with you right here in this channel. So basically, I was going through my YouTube analysis and I discovered that few of you or most of you watching my videos are not subscribing to my channel. So use this opportunity to hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I share a video with you. All right, so without all of that being said, let's go right into the main purpose of this video. So basically, I got this idea recently when I was going through a Profem challenge. All right, so I was going through the challenge, the Profem, which is I do go through fundedness and several of them. So I discovered that instead of going through all these challenges, passing through these phases, why not just go for instant funding? All right, so basically, if you are hearing about instant funding for the first time, instant funding is the process whereby you no longer go through any challenge. All right, you not go through any challenge, like you just buy an account that is just funded. All right, all you have to do is to trade, and any amount you trade within 15 days period will be withdrawable, or you can literally withdraw that particular amount of money. So let's take for example this Profem company, like that of 10 trade. Trade has this instant funding too. Many Profem has, but I prefer 10 trade because 10 trade to get a $1,000 account will only cost you $43. All right. So basically, you can literally just go, instead of you to just go pass through phrases, just go for that $43 worth of. With $43, you gain account of $1,000. So with a good risk management, you can literally make good amount of money with that $1,000 account. So all right, so I will rush it also. In my next video, I will be making a video on how you can literally buy a Profem challenge. No, we are not talking about Profem challenge, sorry. Yeah, I will literally make a video on how you can literally buy an instant funding account in 10 trade. So pay much attention. That's why I tell you guys to subscribe to my channel, and also to the notification bell to get notified whenever I share a video, because I will literally be sharing videos how you can go through all of this process. All right, so in case you can literally check their website out. You can check their website out on 10trade.com or 10tradeafrica.com. Go check their Profem company out, and you will literally see that, or you can even try do some research about the company and you discover that it's a good thing. They are doing crazy things, they are doing good work. All right, so I've done so many research. I've gone through TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and all of that. I've asked several, like I've done so many research about this company, and they are doing really well. So their remark was good. I saw so many good comments about them, so I decided to try them out, and you too, you can try them out too. All right, so with all of that being said, we are going to the conclusion of this video. So with all of this being said, use this opportunity once again, subscribe to the channel, right? And it's just a good information, just a quick information I decided to pass through in this video. All right, stay tuned. My channel, I'll be sharing more updates with you guys. All right, so see you in my next video, guys.